Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist here. A little bit of a tropical update for the afternoon time. Here we have three systems, one at a 50 percentile here in the area of the Caribbean. We have Igor, who is becoming extremely strong, has 135 mile an hour winds at this time, which is a Category 4 at this time. The models were projecting this thing to get a Category 4 when it was up and above the Windward Islands and Leeward Islands, and it strengthens extremely fast. We got tropical depression number 12. He's sitting out here near the Cape Verde Islands. Taking a look now at Igor. Here's Igor. This is the 5-day projection map from the National Hurricane Center. You can see where Igor is at this point, and it's going to be west and west-northwest, and more of a northwesterly turn. It puts it at 8 a.m. on Friday, pretty much close to south of Bermuda. We're going to take a look at some computer models here, and we'll go deeper into that. But it looks to miss the islands in Puerto Rico, but it may be a huge threat to Bermuda. First, we'll take a look at the satellite picture, then we'll take a look at models. Looking here at Igor, you can see, look at the eye on this system. This got beyond a buzzsaw look. It's getting really good ventilation here, and it's moving. You see, there's a little bit of a wobble to the west here, and then you get the west-northwest movement. But it's a beautiful looking hurricane, very strong at this point. I would not be surprised to see it at a Cat 5. It would not surprise me one bit now that it's definitely pushed above what it was supposed to at this point in the area. It was supposed to be Cat 4 when it got near the islands, and it's strengthened a lot faster. Here's the computer model data, and you can see here where these computer models take this, and lots of them are taking it next to Bermuda, where we're talking the GFS, we're talking no gaps, we're talking GFDL model. And then we have some that are still pushing it, like the HWRF, that are pushing it to the northwest, closer to the United States. Will this have more of a Danielle turn, or will this have more of an Earl turn? It's too early really to tell, but if you're in Bermuda, I would definitely keep an eye on this. It's getting rather sticky when it gets out there, and this does project it within 72 hours to be a 96 hours to be a Category 5 hurricane. TH12 at this point looks to be a fish storm. All the models are pushing to the northwest. It does, though, bring it up to hurricane strength by 48 hours, so a tropical storm within 24. So it's something we have to definitely keep an eye on, but I'm going to tell you, Igor's going to have a big role to play in why this is going to go out today. We have this investigation 92, which may become a tropical depression. It actually brings up to a tropical storm within 24 hours, so it should be depression rather within 24 hours. Storm, and he brings it to a hurricane minimum. But you still have an issue that we have. This has a lot of different computer model trends. Some of them bring it to northwest into the Gulf of Mexico. Some of them think it's southwest, and majority of the models are putting it to the west-northwest. So it's something we got to definitely keep an eye on and see what happens with it. This could have an impact on the United States if it would take a northwesterly track. And a quick look now for certain areas and when it comes to severe weather. This is for Monday. You can see we have a slight risk here in the Plain States, Kansas and Nebraska, and we have an outside shot up in New York. The best shot, though, is going to be in Nebraska and in Kansas. Hail, high winds, isolated tornado is possible, and we'll have a Davis risk factor when I do my overnight edition a little bit later. So look at the forecast: 83 Monday, 82 Tuesday, 81 Wednesday, 82 Thursday. We're going to get low 80s and more of a fall pattern here in the Roanoke area. This is specifically Cave Spring, which is in Roanoke County. And the lows will be in anywhere from the low 50s to around 60 by Thursday night. And the triad: 84 Monday, 87 Tuesday, 86 Wednesday, 87 Thursday. Before likely a chance of shower on Friday, and the lows are going to be near around 60. So enjoy the rest of your day here, and end up your weekend watching some football, and also enjoy, if you get to go outside, enjoy the outside temperatures because it's beautiful out here. And I will have more updates on the liveweatherblogs.com overnight edition. That'll be this evening. So stay tuned for the latest information on the hurricane Hurricane Igor, Tropical Depression 12, and any severe weather. Live from in the field in Cape Springs, Virginia, this is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.